New Google AI Agentic update is insane free. Google just dropped something insane. It's called Gemini Agent, and it can do your work for you. We're talking research, booking, comparing prices, all while you sleep. This is not science fiction. It's available right now, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to grow your business. All right, let's talk about what Google just released, because this changes everything. Google just launched Gemini Agent, and this thing is wild. It's not just another chatbot. It's an actual agent that can complete tasks for you. Real tasks, complex tasks, tasks that used to take you hours. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Here's what makes this different. Most AI tools just answer questions. You ask, it responds. That's it. But Gemini Agent actually goes out and does things. It compares prices, it checks your email, it books appointments, it researches competitors, it handles the boring stuff so you don't have to. And the best part, it's available right now for Google AI Ultra users in the US, both desktop and mobile. So you can literally automate your business from your phone. Let me show you exactly what this means for your business. Imagine you need to book travel for a business trip. Normally you'd spend an hour or two opening different websites, comparing flight times, checking hotel reviews, looking at car rental prices, trying to find the best deal. It's exhausting. But now you can tell Gemini Agent your budget and dates, and it goes to work. It compares prices across different sites. It checks your email for travel preferences. It finds the best options, and it can even book everything for you. That's what I mean by an agent. It doesn't just tell you what to do, it does it. Or let's say you're running a community like the AI Profit Boardroom, you need to research what your members are asking about most. You could spend hours going through posts, reading comments, taking notes, organizing themes, or you could tell Gemini Agent to do it, give it access to your community data, tell it what you're looking for, and it pulls out the key insights, the top questions, the common problems, all organized and ready to use. That's hours of work done in minutes. Here's another example. You want to create a new landing page. You need to research what's working in the industry, check competitor pages, find the best headlines, look at conversion tactics, gather testimonials, compile pricing strategies. This used to be a full-day project. Now you tell Gemini Agent to research top performing AI community landing pages. It goes out, finds examples, analyzes what works, pulls together the data, and gives you a complete report. You just saved yourself 6 hours, but it gets better. Let's talk about how this actually works. Gemini Agent uses what Google calls Agentic AI. That means it can break down big tasks into smaller steps. Then it completes each step on its own without you having to prompt it again and again. So if you ask it to find the best collaboration tool for your team, it doesn't just give you a list. It checks pricing, it reads reviews, it compares features, it looks at integration options, it checks if there are current deals. Then it gives you a recommendation based on all that research. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like new Google AI Agentic. Link is in the comment and description. It's at school.com/AI Profit Lab. Think about your daily workflow. How much time do you spend on research, on comparing options, on gathering information, on booking things, on organizing data? For most business owners, it's hours every single day. Now, imagine getting that time back. That's what Gemini Agent does. It's like having an assistant who never sleeps, never complains, and works at the speed of light. Let me give you a specific use case for the AI Profit Boardroom.